Hi, my name is Shiv Desai, and I've been into this hobby for the last 16 years. This is my love of my life. I'll eat, drink, breathe, RC flying. I fly planes and helicopters. Right now, I have my heli with me, and the radio, DABA, E channel, computerized digital radio, all advanced radio, advanced stuff, all advanced stuff. This on the radio is called cyclic.